Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Thomas Spark. Welcome back to another video. So guys, today we're talking about a massive leak with ExpressVPN. Now, if you didn't know, ExpressVPN was one of the first VPNs to offer a split tunneling feature. This is a feature we look for with VPN since it is pretty cool. It lets you use a VPN for something like your browser, let's say, but not for gaming, or your torrent application, but not for gaming, or your gaming application, but not for browsing. It is kind of a nifty feature, and it's one thing that people do kind of like. However, as you guys might know, one of the sponsors of the channel, one of the top-rated VPN channels, one of the top-rated VPNs on this channel for the longest time, Torguard VPN, the true goat of VPNs, once posted 3 years ago on their forum something very interesting. Now, if you guys like honest videos like these and updates about VPNs, stick around to the end of this video to learn about which VPNs have decided to sponsor this channel to help support honest news like this and objective reviews. Here we go here, posted July 18, 2021. When will split tunneling be implemented in Torguard? We are working on it, but we are testing it a lot. We need to make sure it's as secure as possible because we have found leaks in most of those who do offer it. It looks like Torguard might have been onto something here, because now it turns out just 1 hour ago, ExpressVPN was actually leaking information from the split tunneling feature. Now, according to this article, ironically, it was a CNET reviewer who notified ExpressVPN of this bug, which is odd, as I'll later discuss how. Well, I could just discuss it now. It's a top-rated VPN written by Tomacek. So their top-rated VPN had a serious security vulnerability, and I guess they were like, shit, this makes us look bad if someone else finds out, or something like that. I've heard some people discussing that this was a purposeful bug, or some conspiracy theories that they did this on purpose so they can monitor traffic. I don't know if I believe that, but definitely kind of fishy here with the fact that the top-rated VPN that this guy reviewed is also the one who found a bug. It's just kind of weird. I guess the guy notified ExpressVPN that split tunneling was leaking his DNS requests on version 12 app for Windows. ExpressVPN, of course, is downplaying the issue, says it only affected people who are on version 12 and it impacted less than 1% of users. But if there's 1% of people on ExpressVPN that affected this with Windows, I don't know. Let's say that 1% of, all right guys, so if it affected 1% of users, and ExpressVPN reportedly has 4 million users as much as last year, you know, they might even have more since then, but let's just assume that. So what is 1% of 4 million users? So 40,000 people could have leaked their DNS requests. Yeah, that's pretty bad. So yeah, it seems disabled for now. They really don't seem like they know what they're doing. This also kind of makes Express look bad too, because they fired a lot of employees recently, or the company behind it, and they had to write some blog posts on you know, these websites. Cape Technologies fired tons of employees at these organizations like ExpressVPN. I'm pretty sure that a lot of these people were like developers and stuff even, so that's definitely concerning. Apparently the layoff at the time affected employees in Hong Kong, London, and Singapore. It was the engineering team that received a hard hit. So yeah, it looks like the Elon model of just cutting your entire engineering team is not doing favors for their security. This is definitely going to be a bad luck for ExpressVPN, I think, for the rest of its time. And let's go ahead and update the tier list right now, because as far as I'm concerned, this is a serious security breach. Definitely something that should not have happened. So we're going to do an update to the tier list, which is one reason why. Bink. This is one of the best platforms you should find and use on the internet. Anyways, guys, thanks for checking out this video. If you're wondering which VPN to use, if you're an ExpressVPN user, well, this channel is sponsored by 2 VPNs, but there are also VPNs in A tier. Both Torguard and Surfshark are excellent VPNs. Surfshark especially because it has really good bundled deals that include antivirus and something called Incogni, which will remove your IRL information from the internet, as well as other privacy features too. Definitely works very well with built-in streaming compatibility. But if you don't need antivirus, built-in streaming compatibility data removal tools, all these extra things that are going to complement your privacy situation, Torguard VPN is the cheapest, just kind of hands down core VPN package. And it looks like they were right about the split tunneling thing too. All right, guys, thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you again very soon.